What's up, loves? Welcome back. If you're brand new here, I'm happy to have you. Go ahead and click that red subscribe button right now so you don't forget later, but that's only if you enjoy my type of cleaning and organization motivation, because I would truly love to have you.
Able to tell the truth. No one else can see you like I do. All you ever do is say how far you wanna go. Baby, I can tell it's just for show. Every line designed to let me know. You know you're already accepted. To me, you're always picture perfect.
Those of you that follow me on Instagram may remember a while back I asked about replacing this piece with one that I found in Costco, and I wanted your opinion. Well, I ended up deciding that I liked it but didn't love it. But these top two drawers on the outer side are cracked from when I replaced the knobs, and I need one that's longer. So if you see one that you think would look good in my house, send me a message or leave me a comment on this video just saying where you've seen one. But I need one that's at least 72 inches long. It doesn't have to be all mirrored. So if it's wood, I would like for it to have either a mirror or glass inlay. But I value you guys' opinion as always. So if you see something you like, just let me know.
But if this doesn't go as planned, so you don't know what it means to be loyal and kind. I know that you're not blind. Tell me what is really on your mind. You know you're already accepted. To me, you're always picture perfect. You think you're gonna be rejected. Just say you're in love, 'cause so am I. So am I. Say that you are. So am I. Say that you love me. So am I. Say that you are. So am I. Say that you love me. I see them pulling your strings, and you might be seeing things. Yeah. You know I'm real and I'm here. Who cares in a few years?
I mentioned a few times before that my electronic cleaner was on its way out. I have found that using my Jaws glass cleaner works perfect on my TVs. Now, do not spray glass cleaner on your TV. I just use what's left after I've cleaned something else, and it is the perfect amount. It doesn't leave any streaks, and I think that might be my new go-to for a while.
So am I. Say that you so am I. So am I. Say that you love me. So am I. Say that you so am I. So am I. Say that you love me.
I just wanted you to see my hot mess of an ottoman. It always has crumbs on it, and I got ready to start cleaning it and realized I had the wrong thing in my hand, so I went back and got my microfiber, and I'm using the Caldrea in the Tangelo Palm Frond scent.
New to me, the way that you're moving so differently. Now this is all I want. So if you make a move, I promise I'll be there too. Ooh, give me time and place. You know, I will be there before you have to wait for me. Been hiding away for too long. 'Cause all I need is something just like this in the time and place. Ooh, nah. Give me a time and give me a time.
anyone who may be new, I did a collaboration with a company called Mapiful a few videos back, and this is actually a picture from me and my husband's first dance at our wedding. It's got the lyrics to the song that we danced to all over the picture. The title is below, along with our names and our wedding date. It's absolutely one of my favorite pieces in our house. I did notice that the frame was a little dusty and smudged, so I'm taking care of that along with this piece of art.
Give me a time and place. Ooh, nah. I will be there before you have to wait for me. Been hiding away for too long. 'Cause all I need is something just like this in a time and place. Ooh, nah. Give me a time and
I am all about a good deal, so I like to let you guys know where I get things from. My sister found this lamp at Costco. It matches the pendant lights over our kitchen island perfectly, and I love it. And I actually just found another lamp at Costco that is now in our office, and it played off of the bookshelves in there. I did do an office makeover video a while back as well, if you want to check that out. But if you need a good lamp, just check out Costco if you have a membership there, because similar ones to both of them that I found were at least $50 more, and that was even on like discount websites. So just a recommendation.
it's something just like this in a time and place.
I post my life on Instagram, so you might have already seen that I got the Hoover Power Dash Pet Compact Carpet Cleaner. I am so excited because I have needed a carpet cleaner forever. It's embarrassing to even think about how long I've needed one. And my friend Tiffany Michelle, along with Sean Yvonne from Squeaky Clean Life, and a couple other people, sorry if I can't remember, recommended this particular cleaner. It's inexpensive. I got it for $79 at Walmart, but I could not wait to test it out. So I decided to start with this rug before I tackle any other areas in the house, since that's what I was working on today. So in just a minute, we'll see how that goes.
My heart, yeah, 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 yeah. You're about to lose me, just like that, just like that. You're about to lose me. Forever's never gone so fast.
The instructions say to fill to the first line with warm water and then fill it the rest of the way to the second line with the cleaner. So that's what I'm doing now.
It's like you are avoiding me. Don't know what's up with that. I've tried to be the help you need, but I don't think I can. If we never ever met before, if you never opened up my door, yeah, 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 yeah. If you never ever got to start, if you never opened up my heart, yeah, 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 yeah. You're about to lose me, just like that, just like that. You're about to lose me. Forever's never gone so fast.
She's all plugged in and ready to go, and I'm just looking at the instructions. I will say this thing is so easy to use. I was just looking to make sure I was doing it right before I got started. But basically you just hold down the trigger, and that has the water in the solution coming out when you pass it forward and backward. When you're not holding on to the trigger, then it's just dry passes. So I was just starting off with the solution by holding it down, going back and forth slowly. Of course, this is sped up a little bit, but I was going really slow. But y'all, this rug has been through it. We've had it for a long time. It's been a couple of places, and you will see very soon that it was in desperate need of being deep cleaned. I took my time going over this rug. I kind of did it in sections. I hope you find this super satisfying. As far as my opinion, I think this thing works great. It is the very first time, and this is all I've done. I think I'm gonna do our master bedroom next, but from this experience, it got up so much dirt. You're getting ready to see in just a second. It is embarrassing, but look at how almost black that water is. So I took it to the guest bathroom to dump it out in the tub. Disgusting, I already know, but I dumped it out, and then all of the clumps of like hair and junk that was in there, I just got it out with a paper towel because I didn't want that to go down the drain.
Let me stay there for a while. I feel it now when I see that smile, like a body of water.
I didn't show it, but I did actually clean the tub after this. I put the water reservoir back, and I actually just went back over the rug again, pretty much dry the whole time, I believe. I just wanted to make sure I got up as much of the dampness as I could, so I did cut out a lot of that since you've already seen me go over the whole rug. But there were a couple of areas that we had some kind of yellow stuff. We don't know where it came from, but this got it up beautifully. So again, I am very happy with it. Just from this one experience, I highly recommend it. I will let you know how I feel as I use it more. The part that holds the water and the cleaning solution, I did have to refill that one time, so I anticipate having to do it a couple of times when I do the bedroom, but other than that, I have nothing but positive things to say. I was just wiping up the part around the rug where I overshot it a little bit, but now, of course, one project led to another because I needed somewhere to put my new carpet cleaner. This is our coat closet at our front door. It already needed to be vacuumed and wiped down anyway, so I took this opportunity to do that. So I'm just gonna go in here and try to rearrange some things and see if I can fit it in there.
I remember when we woke up, how your body looked like porcelain in the light. No complaining, we were alright. But then again, I thought we were one of a kind. Oh, na na, oh, you're good with lies. Oh, na na, wish I wasn't right. Now every morning when I wake up, you're late so close, I gotta push you to your side. I go to work while you still sleep, I don't wanna argue cause it's never worth.
This basket mainly holds the workout items that my husband uses, so I bought a smaller basket at Where Else? Home Goods, so I could kind of downsize everything and only put the stuff in there that he actually uses. All this other junk that's in this basket mainly got thrown away, so that added some more space. And then that wooden thing that's in there, it's an old piece that my husband has had forever. It's really good quality, solid wood, very heavy. We don't really want to get rid of it quite yet in case we repurpose it, but you'll see in a little bit if I was able to make it work while leaving that in there.
Inside of me. Oh, na, na, oh, you're good with lies. Oh, na, na, wish I wasn't right. Whoa.
Everything that he actually uses fit perfect in that new little basket, so I was very happy about that. Most of the other stuff got trashed, so it felt good to go through all of those things. I've got the wooden piece back in here, and on top of that is an Instacrate. It's a collapsible crate that I used to keep in the trunk of my car. I now have a crossover, so I don't really need it, but I can't get rid of it. You know how those things are. You might need it one day. So I'm just working around all of that, and then I was able to fit the carpet cleaner in here. I did end up turning that wooden piece around to the side later on that evening, just so I could get the carpet cleaner in and out a little bit easier, but pretty much the way it is how it ended up working out. And now I'm just gonna declutter the top shelf.
What the future bring, all the highs and lows. Said I'm gonna win, though the world might spin. Now I'm sitting here like I'm not.
I will mention that the water reservoir is missing from the carpet cleaner because you're supposed to let it air dry. So you just open up that part where you dump the water out, and I just left it sitting in the laundry room for a few hours, and then I put it back on the cleaner.
Just don't get enough of me. 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 Worry way too much. Got a policy. Didn't bring me luck.
This shelf didn't need a whole lot. I just did some decluttering and I just made it look a little bit more visually appealing. But after I'm finished with this, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys got a lot of motivation. I will ask, leave in the comments if you have a carpet cleaner, is it the one that I used or a different one, and what you think of it. I know that helps other people out when they're in the market for things, to see what other people like and don't like. So leave that below. Also, let me know what you were doing while you were watching this video, because I enjoy hearing that. Thank you guys so much for being here. I truly appreciate it. I love you so much. God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.